Researchers from South Korea have created a new graphene-based biosensor that sucks to your skin. That's right, sucks, not sticks, as it was inspired by the suckers of an octopus. The researchers designed a cheap, scalable production process for graphene-coated fabric, or GCF. These are sensors that stick to your skin. The fabric is a yarn-like substrate that is coated with graphene oxide and then soaked in L-ascorbic acid to help with conductivity as well as flexibility and strength. The sensor is then coated with a film to form a conductive path from the fabric to the skin. Then, the researchers etched tiny octopus-like patterns on the film. The material is not only flexible but durable, being able to stand up to being bent, folded, twisted, and stretched. In initial tests, the sensor was able to collect data in both wet and dry situations. For example, it was able to sense when a wrist was bending, and picked up ECG measurements in both wet and dry environments. I mean, the latter, being a little bit more mission critical, getting the ticker instead of if you're doing this. Did he bend it? It could also read speech vibrations when a test subject was asked to say hello, as well as the sentence, "I am a good man." He had the sensor on his neck, and that just seems like an odd sentence. I'm a good man. The report was recently published in ACS Applied Materials and Interfaces. Now, the technology could be big news for the wearable, pharmaceutical drug delivery, medical device, and diagnostics industries, among others. Because for wearable sensors to provide accurate information, they need to stay on your skin, no matter how wet, dry, or hairy it is. Just like a little spider monkey. In 2016, researchers at the University of California, Berkeley created Salto, or saltatorial locomotion on terrain obstacles. Salto is a tiny jumping robot that could leap off the ground, hit a spot on the wall, and then jump off the wall. I mean, it was cool, but limited. Since then, they've added a host of capabilities. Salto can now run or jump for more than 10 minutes, taking as many as 100 jumps in that period. The remote-controlled robot can also jump 4 feet high, run 8 to 10 miles per hour, and has the ability to clear various obstacles. It also has the ability to follow, land, and launch from multiple targets. I mean, just a tiny little parkour bot. I mean, I could watch this thing all day. Because it's so quick, it can land and launch off of surfaces that normal robots would just slide off of. It also has onboard sensors that help it stay upright and change position to make sure that it lands correctly. Next, the team wants to make Salto more agile, including the ability to jump on and from various surfaces, like gravel. Right now it's restricted to wood, brick, grass, and concrete. The researchers also want to add arms, so it can grab onto objects after it jumps. Just like a little spider monkey. Well, actually like a little goolego, or bush baby, which is what inspired the design. The team recently presented its work at the 2019 International Conference on Robotics and Automation in Montreal. Like other robots that were designed with a unique set of skills, Salto could one day be used for search and rescue missions, looking for survivors while navigating unpredictable terrain. Just like a little spider monkey. Ford has partnered with Agility Robotics to put a humanoid robot, or Digit, into self-driving vehicles, all to create what they call the future of self-driving vehicle delivery. Digit is a bipedal robot that was designed and developed by Agility Robotics. As part of the collaboration, Digit would carry out the final step of delivery from the car to your door. It's a role that's only increasing in demand as we all stop going everywhere and have anything delivered to our doorstep. Agility Robotics designed Digit to look human-ish. It walks like a human and can even navigate stairs and uneven terrain. It can even bump into fellow pedestrians without falling over. You see, all that work hitting robots with hockey sticks is paying off. As part of the collaboration, Digit deploys out of the back of a self-driving Ford. A new promo shows it unfolding out of the back of a van. The lightweight robot, which can lift up to 40 pounds, grabs a package and brings it to the doorstep. Now what is interesting is that to keep Digit lightweight, The team left some of the typical navigational tools out of the design. The vehicle actually creates a detailed map of the surrounding environment and wirelessly sends Digit the best route to the front door. Now, the robot does have LiDAR and a few stereo cameras, so it can navigate basic situations. However, if it finds itself in a sticky situation, it relays an image back to the car, which either solves the problem or sends the info into the cloud to request help from other systems. The lightweight design also helps enable Digit to work all day. No downtime until both the vehicle and robot are charging. It's just the next step towards the convergence of humanity and robotics, and robots playing a larger role in our day-to-day activities. And to calm anyone who might have a problem with that, Ford bridges the gap with a fist bump. Yeah, show me that weird fist bump again. That's weird. I'm David Manti. This is Engineering by Design.